Alrighty.
Journal.
Good morning. I gotta share a link here. Oh yeah, there it is. How's everyone doing this morning? Alright, let's see what happens here. Open. Alright, got that. Today will be a tough day. We shall see. Cool, got that. Okay. Let's see here. How's everyone doing this morning? Yeah, so yesterday I took a loss on oil. I'll show you the setup. It was pretty clean. I think I got a little, so we have equal lows right here, right? Equal lows. Watching here, okay. And then I dropped down to a 15-minute chart. We had equal high run, right? Had these relative equal highs getting ran. I couldn't believe this didn't work out. This was so clean. Low resistance, liquidity, equal lows as I draw. And then draw down to a 1-minute chart. And I went short. Right here. Yeah. I went short right here. Stop up here. I think I had like 70 or whatever. I was just targeting like 2 or 3R, and then obviously it went higher. But yeah, this was a pretty clean setup. Just didn't work out. yeah, equal high tag. I mean, I'm like, damn, like how'd this not work out? But sometimes it just kind of actually helps me. Like, if you guys find a way to like take trades that are like only your model, it helps you like sleep better at night. Like I didn't like it didn't really bother me that much. Um, like they just don't because I did everything I could. Right. Um, let's see here. Okay, so I want to see a 15-minute gap. What's up, guys? Push this on YouTube. What's up, Ash? Just posting this link real quick. Link, Discord, back. How'd you trade this week, Ash? I took oil shorts yesterday. Got stopped out. I was actually very surprised. It was super clean. One of the cleanest setups I've seen in a while. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let me back to the chat. Back to the charts, actually. Okay, so what I'm looking at this morning is 15-minute here. So from Asia, we had a grind up. So I ran standard deviations from this, the consolidation within Asia, okay, is what I like to do. And then right here, 4 standard deviations, okay. And then if I go to ES, did the same thing. However, I would have liked like an SMT there. Maybe we get it here. Same thing, high and low, the consolidation, run it up to there. So I'm expecting something to happen here. If we want to be bullish the rest of the day, then retracement that maybe we just had, or we completely reverse from here and go for this low and then Monday's low. Okay, so I'm just kind of watching to see what the market gives me though. I'm kind of like 60-40 in terms of like bias because like I would love these lows to get taken, right? But I just have a weird feeling in a bullish market like this, like the pullbacks, like I just feel like they're not like obviously I'd love for it to go down to discount, but I don't know. Maybe this can prove me wrong. Drop to M5 here real quick. Oh wow, yeah. So at least someone caught oil. At least someone caught oil. At least someone caught oil. You've also got equal lows, I think, in London. No. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at the micro contract. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Indices was tough for me yesterday. Like, it was like chop, and then like it dropped, and then chop again, and then just drop. I was watching it, but it just did not give me what I wanted to see. Oil was clean, like it was a clean setup, and it has been all week, but it just didn't work out. Unfortunately, didn't work out. I think we have Powell speaking at 10 o'clock. So, got SMT here, these lows. This is the hourly swing high. So maybe another run up and then go lower, but this is a pretty big move down. So I would actually just like for it to just die from here. Yeah, I don't know how to handle the Jackson Hole thing. Like that's an all day event, so I don't like. Um, I have a feeling the market just may chop around today, to be honest with you, because it doesn't know how to handle that. Um, let's see. So this is 9:30 open right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing I can see. I think ES is gonna run the high, NQ doesn't, and then we just place lower. That's the only thing I can see, at least. In terms of drawing liquidity, I think we can at least go to Asia lows if we get that movement down. Fiji here. Just kind of sitting here waiting. Yeah. I mean, not a whole lot of gaps in here either, right? Look at the hourly. Nothing here. 4 hour. I mean, maybe here at 10 o'clock, potentially, but I just think I would love to see lower prices from here. Potentially, maybe we get something like this. So you think in Asia? Yeah. Previous day low would be, yeah, that's a pretty big move. Yeah. I mean, Monday low is right here beneath it, so. Usually, like, if we expand on Thursdays, right? like if we finally get the move on Thursday, I feel like if Friday hasn't taken, or if Thursday didn't take like the weekly target, Friday should expand and take that weekly target. So I think we could potentially see that. Yeah, so I think lower, like on the daily chart, I think we're just gonna go down into here, right? I mean, this is the overall range, right, from this high to this low. But if you would do another one from here to here, like this would be like a discount array. I think we can get into, or should get into, in my opinion. But like this whole move up on the daily, like we haven't really had a whole lot of pullbacks. Had the one in April, had the one a month ago, but we'll see. This 4-hour chart doesn't look good for bulls though. Looks like it's gonna really expand. So look at the 4-hour candle. Yeah. But with Jerome Powell speaking at 10, like, it's definitely sus. I don't like it when that guy talks. You think that long... Which one? Oh, you talking about this one? I think so. If you're referring to this one, I think so. Oh, the daily one? No, I don't think so. I think we'll go higher before we do any of that. I think it's just retesting this breaker here on the daily. And then we'll shoot from here and go higher. So I think that's why we're just kind of having a little bit of an issue here. I mean, that we're kind of chopping around. But I think we could run down here, tag into this fair value gap inside of here, and then go higher. That's what I think. So something like this on the daily chart. Like that. Kind of what I'm seeing. Yeah, I'm looking for it to go lower. I'm kind of like 60-40 lower though. It's not really much. Just because I don't like the news and things like that. Let me drag this over here actually. Oh shoot, my bad. There we go, my bad. Trying to split the screen up real quick. There we go. Right, chill. Yeah, we'll see what happens here though. Look at how the 5 minutes sort of like respecting this area right here. So I want to see something happen here. ES is obviously a little stronger. So maybe this would be the high run right here. Hourly FVG here getting respected on oil. Yeah, I think so. The only problem with it is like with Powell is like like with like normal news, like it just like happens, right? Like it's kind of like in and out of the market. Like he could talk for like an hour, you know what I mean? The market can just kind of like go up and down. Whereas I feel like normal news releases just like have like a they come into the market, they either go one or two sides and that's it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Kind of a crappy open so far. 9:30 down. I haven't really done a whole lot. I think it's obviously waiting for Powell. Is there any orange folder too or no? Oh yeah, we got new home sales at 10 as well. Definitely want to be in and out of the market pretty quickly today. Probably do the giveaway after Powell, like probably like 10, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10:30. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll definitely keep track of that. See if we get set up after he talks. I should probably do a better job of like knowing what happens like after Powell speaks. For me, I just don't remember a whole lot. I feel like it usually just chops or like does like a move higher, move lower, move higher, move lower. Yeah, so. Oh shoot, yeah, here, let me, so weird. Get you another one. Try this one. Try this one out. Let's copy and paste up. Let me know if that works. I'll change it. Right, yeah, there's no consistent, right? Let me check the M15 here, because the M15 there was a gap. So we disrespected that gap, so now closed above this. Move down before we move up. I'll let it see SMT here at this highs. Okay, so like 10, 15. So let me get some feedback in the chat. What's y'all's bias for today? Usually don't do this, but I kind of want to see it. See what y'all are bias, bullish, bearish, neutral. Lower. Neutral, neutral. Yeah, see, I'm kind of neutral too. I'm like 60-40. Vary out. I don't like how the daily closed. Like, people are like, oh yeah, I can't wait to short now based off the 4 hour. I'm like, ooh, I don't know. I mean, it kind of came into here. I mean, I can see it just. I mean, look at this hourly candle here. You know what I mean? Equal low run. Granted, the structure on the 5-minute looks like crap, but you know what I mean? Same with NQ here. Oh no, there's no gap in here, but still, like, yeah. Right. Yeah. So I see a lot of you guys are bearish, but you haven't gotten like a short signal yet. So yeah, that's good. Maybe we'll get one. Man, I don't know if I can long up here anyways. I mean, hit 4 standard deviations from Asia consolidation, right? So, pretty big move up. Nah, I'm not in a trade, nah. One trade I took was a loss yesterday. For the week was a loss yesterday on oil. Nah, it hasn't really been a fun week of price action. Here, let's go look at the hourly chart. So Monday right here, right? Consolidation, move up in the PM session. Consolidation. And it really wasn't until yesterday at like 11 a.m. we really got to move lower. 10 o'clock, 11. You know what I mean? So like this is literally 66 hourly candles before we got to move out of this range. Almost up. Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, usually from 9:30 to 11:30. If I'm not in a trade before 11, I usually call it. Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday wasn't actually that bad. Okay, let me go back to Tuesday on like the different chart. Well, see, I thought Tuesday would have really expanded because we were starting to get some displacement, right? Like we had the low run here, we're in these lows. I thought this candle would really continue up, and then after like the PM session, I'm like, we're still in the range. So, but let me go to that on the 5-minute. I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, he said, "Bud, not put me on the stream this time." Nah, he just barks, bro. Like if the Olympics had like a dog barking contest or like barking at neighbors or any sort of sound like a pencil dropping, he would win. He'd have like 10 gold medals. That's why I probably don't stream more on YouTube because I can't. He's hit or miss, and he has to be with me at all times. Hey, come here. It's okay. Come on. Cooper, come here. It's okay. It's okay. I think this is what you're talking about right here. It was just a little slow. Okay. 10 o'clock news here in 1 minute. So I'm gonna try to. So like this long right here was something I was watching. It was just really. It was like late in the session. It was like literally gave the entry at 11, and then like, I mean, I guess it worked out, right? But just if you're watching this on a 1 minute chart, like if you take this on 1 minute entry, you enter here. Like it's gonna be, especially if you're a beginner, it's gonna be really hard for you to hold this thing for a full hour. Because like especially if you're just watching the 1 minute, because like these are freaking 60 1 minute candles. Like I mean, it's just up, down, up, and then comes all the way down. You know what I mean? You probably move your stop to break even after you get this move right here. Stops you out and goes higher. So. Alright, so we had to move up just now. See, this is the thing I was watching here. Let me go back to it. Yeah, see, this is why I was a little. Let's see what happens. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Yeah, no. He's gonna talk about how the economy's great because, you know, people are buying airplane tickets. And it's like all the job numbers are fake. Oil, about on the highs too. Bonds going higher. Dollar going lower probably. Yep. Dollar has relative equal highs right here too in the hourly. So yeah, see, we're going for the high. I had a feeling. Yeah, we're going for this high. This is it. Unless we, I'll switch this if we get like a major wick on a 15 minute, but I don't think that's gonna happen given how the daily candle is right now. Don't think we're gonna stop here. Cooper, come here. Yeah. Has not been a good price action, a week of price action in my opinion. I'm gonna watch the 15 minutes, see if we get a gap in here with a pullback and maybe like a 1 minute market maker buy model or something. That's about the only thing that I could see happening. Unless we just like wicked from here and went down, which is, that would be a 100-point wick. Yeah, Cooper is a miniature golden doodle. Come here, buddy. It's getting demolished. The hour 4 Civia is getting demolished. Put this down just a tad. Oh my gosh, I know, he's so handsome, right? 15-minute gap. It's getting demolished. Are you ready for the weekend? Are you ready for the weekend? Yeah, he's my quant. He's my quant. Oil. Oil just shot higher. Have you guys seen that scene from what is it, The Big Short? He was talking about, this is my quant. He was like, he doesn't speak English, and then like he looks back, he's like, he says I don't speak English because it makes me look smarter. That's what I think when I hear the word quant. It was such a good movie. Now the best scene in that was when he got a check for like 50 mil, and he was like, I can feel you judging me. That's all right, I get it. Hey, never said I was a hero of the story. That was my favorite scene. There's so many. It was just like, you had Pitt in that one. You had Bale. You had, oh dude, you had the whole cast in that. I mean, that was just a lineup. We'll see what happens. You can give it another 15 minutes or so. Wait till this 15-minute candle closes, because this could be manipulation. So I use, it depends. Like, I would not use the wick from here. Like, say this happened, I would not use the wick. It's just too freaking big, right? So I'd probably use the body. But if you're referring to Asia, I just take the consolidation from Asia. I don't use the full range unless Asia completely consolidated. So that's why I think, that's why I did it this morning like that. That's usually what I do it every morning. Sometimes I won't keep it on the charts, but keep that shown. So I'll draw it up, post it in the chat, and then like I'll just delete it because I can just kind of know where it's at. Then you got Margaret Robbie in there too. Oh my gosh. That was a lineup. I might watch that this weekend. I got fantasy football golf outing tomorrow. So I got the board. We do our fantasy football draft, and then we play golf. So that'll be fun. Hey, come here. Come here. No, we in the bar. When you calm down. It's okay. So that'll be fun. Something to do. It's been so nice out. It's like 75 right now. EPL. I don't know what EPL is. Let me do stream. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and have you guys start doing this for the giveaway. Hey, come. It's okay. It's the best. The September, October, November is like the best. Close. Alright, gotta start a giveaway here. My funny futures. I'll do a timer for another 30 minutes. Away. 50K. Confirm. Yeah, there you go. So type in exclamation point raffle to enter the raffle. So it'll stop at 10:40. Ash, dude, type in exclamation point raffle. See if you can get your 50K account, bro. Piece of. My wife wants a piece of gum. Hold on. I'm gonna take a piece of gum too. Y'all do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, see what happens here. In fact, if we're gonna get a setup, it would be at post 10:30. Can't long way here. You have to hope it puts in a fair value gap, comes into it, and also preferably would leave previous day high behind before giving that entry. Copy the link. Alright, guys, stop chewing this gum. Let me take a sec out here. So hopefully we can get something like this. I would just go light size. It's just letting you know it's confirmed. The giveaway winner will be announced in, I think, 25 minutes. It's the only thing I see. Also, we have SMT here. Obviously, I think we're going to go higher, so that SMT doesn't really mean too much for me. I really wanted to have Monday low, but just had a weird feeling. It was too obvious. It was too obvious short. Like, I feel like if you're in a bullish market and you have an obvious draw for lower prices, it's not gonna hit it. Or majority of the time, it's not gonna hit it. It's just gonna, like, because I mean, technically, been consolidating all week. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Just unfortunately, it hasn't really given us an entry to take advantage of the distribution. So, see how 10:30, 10:15 and 10:30 candle puts in, and then see if we can catch up and move down. Yeah, yeah, Curtis. Kind of crazy. I got 90 viewers in here now when I had 70 before. 96 now. All I gotta say is y'all trying to get those accounts, bro. I'm here for it, I guess. Appreciate it, Ash. Hey, the past 3 streams, I haven't taken a trade here. It's all been on Friday, though. Fridays are usually kind of Fridays are kind of, yeah, maybe ICT will pop in. You never know. He probably won't pop in unless I take a trade. Or he'll probably just sit and you won't know he's here until you take a trade. So that's, he may have been watching, before. I don't know. Probably has nothing to comment on. Hourly. Oh yeah, that's right. He's live trading right now, live streaming right now. Wow, look at this 15-minute candle. Huh. This could be something. If we don't get if this doesn't make a gap here, it'd be very interesting. I'd still want to see displacement lower. Yeah. Yeah, I actually popped into Fair Value got Zach's the other day, and he took a trade. And as soon as he took the trade, he was like, "Why there?" So I think he hangs out in a lot more people's streams than you guys think. But he don't like if they don't take a trade or if there's nothing to talk about, he's not gonna talk. He's not just gonna say something. So if he popped in here, like I don't think like nothing would really change in my opinion. Like I'd probably just show him my dog. Like I've watched a couple people like when they're live trading and he pops in and says something, they you can see it in their face a little bit, and like they start doing some stuff differently. Especially if I'm already in a trade though, like I already got my TP set, I already got my stop set, like you know, it is what it is. Oh, it's such a nice day out. It might. It might. We'll know about 10 minutes. Bonds are pushing higher. Ooh, dollar just ran this low. Flat body high? No, we'll work on it. Ooh, what did oil do? It would be so like oil to give run these equal lows on a Friday. Like a 1 hour candle. Yeah, I'm waiting for a 15-minute gap too. Come into it, make a market maker model to the upside. I like how it's leaving previous day high behind. There's no SMT up here. You know, it's the only place I could long from. And the only reason I'm longing from it, if I do, is because I think this is an obvious draw now. Oh man. Let me break down oil real quick. Daily CIBI, hourly, swing high. Don't like this. That's the only problem I have. Got a lot of high resistance, liquidity below us, I think. We'll see. You talking about this one right here, Vincent? Yeah. I think so too. I want to see displacement though. I don't like how it's kind of in the middle of chop, which is likely right because daily CIBI 1 hour BISI, so kind of like trapped order flow scenario. But I want to see like displacement and retest. Good thing is it wouldn't have to really go very far, just down to like 6 a.m. lows. Definitely possible. But I'll be watching it. Guessing that's what you were talking about. 5 minutes here. think this is going to form. Giveaway will be here in 14 minutes. It'll automatically pick the winner. Just doing one winner. I'm gonna go live on Monday too, so I'll do one there too. I'm gonna go live from now on Mondays and Mondays and Fridays. So. Got the Discord streams Tuesday through Thursday, so I want to give them a little bit more. And then got to watch my boy Ash on Wednesdays. Yeah, I got some more IGs coming out, things like that. I'm just working with someone. How many tickets we got for this raffle? 56. There's 99 people. Uh, 3 minutes. Is the world doing anything? No. So I would have wanted oil to, displace lower pretty aggressively. This game is all about managing risk. That's all it is. Best loser wins. Don't be an idiot. Right? Yeah, go watch Tanya on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tanya Tuesday, Thursday, Ash on Wednesday, and me on Mondays and Fridays. Or maybe, how about this? Me on Mondays and Fridays, Tanya, Ash, Zach, or Tanya, whichever one you. Tanya. Tanya. You guys know who Tanya is. By the way, she gave me a shout out on Instagram the other night. I guess because I sent her some golf balls. I mailed her some golf balls because she just recently started golfing. And yeah, it's like Fair Value God on YouTube. I mailed them to her and she oh, thanks for sending it. She put it on her story. I wake up the next morning and have 200 followers. And I only have 700 followers. So I think I'm pushing close to 1,000 now. I'm fucking. He's pretty good. He's solid. I like him. He lives in Charleston. He's a pretty cool guy. Matt's met him, I think. He's 26, 27. He was one of those people that was getting a lot of hate because he was selling a high ticket item, and I'm some random page was he's a fraud. I'm okay. I mean, just low vibrational people, you know what I mean? Always saying something. Yeah, screw capitalism, right? Alright, 30 seconds to this candle close. Oil, nah. Oil may actually run up here, do something like this, but still kind of ugly. Can't control it. You say you cut shorts Monday, Ash? Let's see if I can find this. I'm guessing right here. Yeah, that's pretty clean. Very nice. Yeah, I'll show you mine. I don't know if you were here earlier when I was showing mine when I got stopped out yesterday. So, right here. So obviously it's that 4 hour fair value gap, right? This one right here. Had this 15-minute equal high run. Okay. $15-minute equal high run. I probably should have gotten it here, but I didn't like the structure. But I thought this was a pretty obvious draw too. And oil, like once it wants to take off, it's gone. So like I was like, I might as well just get in here. Still, look at A+ setup for me, and then just went higher. Giveaway in 7 minutes. Alright, so put in a 15-minute gap. Let's see if we can get something here. So, kind of walk you guys through. I wouldn't really be longing all the way up here because we're, pretty maxed out in terms of like, the range. However, if we come down to here with previous day high still intact on ES and NQ, I look for like a 1 minute. I'll drop to a 1 minute chart. Look for a market maker buy model to the upside. That's really the only thing I see like that would be of interest. Only thing I see. It's so crazy how like literally 99% of this game is just waiting. And like that 99% of the time that you're waiting is so hard. Like in terms of psychological, wanting to trade, FOMO, like just it's so like thinking you see stuff and it's really not there. It's just it's the like. I mean, yeah. I know it's like the best traders. They all say like the only thing I do is 95 to 100%, like 95 to 90% of the time, just waiting. No, I haven't longed yet. I want ES to come into this gap, And then from there, I'll drop to a 1-minute chart, see if I can get like a market maker, like buy model, stuff like this, to the upside. If it just runs from here, like I don't have a trade, unfortunately. I don't even think this would like be like that high probability of a setup, because I would have wanted to long down here, you know, not when we're already pretty over leveraged to the upside, if that makes sense. Overextended, I'm sorry. Yeah, 1-minute unicorn is basically what I'm looking for, yeah. So I'm looking for price to reject here, come down to here, and then go higher. Preferably, would love a SMT at the lows. Let's see if my stream is still. Thanks, Ash, by the way, for announcements. I just saw it. I was clicking on this. I popped in your Discord the other day, bro. Like I think I just clicked it, and apparently you took a trade, and I think you took like profit like 1.9R, and you were getting grilled in your own chat. I'm like, bro, like. And I think price reversed from there and went the other way, and then like I was like, oh my god, like I'll take a peep at the 1-minute. Kind of looks kind of crap. I think it's maybe building up some low resistance liquidity to go higher. What's up? It's been like 2 weeks since I took a trade on like live trading, or 3 weeks, I think. Granted, I only stream on like once a week, but starting twice a week next week though. Oil is ripping. I think oil's off my watch list for this morning. Moving away from here, I don't really care for the longs. I think what happened here, I think the continuous contract ran this low. I think the previous contract from like, I guess, August or June, or I mean, whatever it was. I think it was August. I think it ran it here too. So that's a little, maybe why we're getting a little sus price action. We left these lows behind. And these are equal lows. I'm like, why are we not taking that? Yeah, that's like literally what happened. Like, but Ash, it didn't hit the full 2R, and it's like, jeez, all right, like, y'all can't think for yourselves, all right. Nah, nothing yet. I want to see what happens here at this 15-minute. Oh, shoot, giveaway in 3 seconds. See who wins. Oh, wait. I have to click enter. I have to click close. 1 second. Alright. All right, pick winner. You guys ready? Rain has won a My Funded Futures 50K starter account. Congratulations, Rain. I'll do another one on Monday for you guys as well. Yo, so just DM me on Twitter or Instagram. Now, yeah, 100 views in here. Watch the chat. Like the viewers just fall off. There'll be like 50 people in here. If you have an account with them already, DM me your email address and yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, viewership's gonna fall off now. I didn't win the giveaway. Screw Nick. But nah, I think we can get a setup here, so maybe we'll stick around. Oh man. Thanks, Uma. I think someone I know in here, I think someone that is really, really big on IG and YouTube and Twitter is in this chat right now on a burner. I think they're on a burner. Yeah, free Discord. I'll drop the link. Me and Matt got a free Discord. Matt hosted a back testing session there on Wednesday. Hey Matt, are you in here by the way? He's probably at the beach. We gotta check his location. Yeah, bro's at. He's at Wawa right now. 5-minute unicorn sell. Okay. I mean, 4-hour gap, still getting respect. It's just, I'm kind of conflicted at the moment, if anything, man. I see what you're talking about, I really do. I would have liked sells more if one of these ran the previous day high and we had SMT. Matt shares a lot more of his stuff in there than I do, but I do like some of the classes in there too. We just opened it a couple weeks ago, free chat. So I would have liked SMT here with like a high run, but I mean, I see what you're thinking. I mean, technically we're still respecting this gap. ES, not really. Kind of a little conflicted. Yeah, I mean, Sonic, I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, the raffle ended. I'm doing another one on Monday, so stick around. Yeah, I guess you're right. We have SMT here. I just hate how it came so close to previous day high. That's the only problem I have. Also, too, you want to see this fair value gap be left open. Like, you want to see this form. Because I don't think this, in my opinion, combined with here, with ES, isn't a strong enough close to the downside for me. So I would have wanted like a little bit lower of a close. Yeah, I see the SMT now. Yeah, I was just referring to previous day high. I was just something I wanted. Doesn't mean it needed to happen. But you definitely want to see this 5-minute right here. Keep a FEG. So I got 30 seconds till it closes. See what happens. Uh, 2 seconds. Yeah, I agree, Sonic. Completely agree with you, bro. That would be a hell of a start to this 4-hour candle too. Could you imagine if we came like all the way down to like the opening of the candle? That would be so cracked. 10 a.m.'s right here. I mean, it's not that far. That's not that far. Only another 50 points. Alright, so we got the 1 minute tag here, or the 15-minute BISI. So from here you want to see, let's see here, you want to see this get tagged. You want to see it move up from here. If this gets disrespected, oof, that would be the craziest 30 minutes, or like the craziest hour we've had in a long time. Because that was a massive move up at 10 o'clock. Like, that's a hell of a manipulation candle. That's literally 200 points. Holy cow. Anyone catch shorts right there? Cooper, come here. Don't get me wrong, like I love this. I love it, right? But it's just so freaking wild. Oh my gosh. Nice. Good job. We could get 15-minute fair value gap to the downside with a 1 minute market maker sell model. Pay attention to ES right here. ES is still in here. You really want this to get disrespected. Crazy. This has been a crazy session. This has been bonkers. Like look at this 4-hour candle. People are like, oh Nick, you were long earlier. I'm like, yeah, because we were all the way up here. I didn't expect this. Holy shit. Okay. Reevaluate here. Gotta reevaluate. Yeah, you think, Ash? You think, bro? That was nuts. On a 5-minute, I mean, it's not bad. It's probably like a B plus setup. I mean, hourly, you're still in the 4-hour. I mean, I get it. But man, what a freaking drop. I would have not. I don't like this wick, right? So maybe we get some on the 15 minute and target. Pay attention to right here. We got a 15-minute breaker too. So move down before this move up. Took this liquidity right here. So pay attention. Inverse fair value gap. Yeah, 15-minute breaker forming. I swear to God, if this wicks from here and goes higher, I'd be like, I'm calling it. What a freaking week, though. Post it, yeah. It's. I mean, I'll hang out in here. Like, if we're still getting speed in the markets and the draw and liquidity still there, I'll hang out till like 11:15, 11:30. My wife ain't home anyway, so it's just me and the boys. Day trade 28. Yeah, you're definitely right, bro. Very tricky. Like, while price was in here, everyone wanted to short it. But once, like myself included, but once we had this move up, I'm like, okay, we're probably just gonna go clear previous day high, and then it just does something like what it just did, you know. You guys want me to FaceTime Matt? Tell him to look at the chart. Well, let me check and see if he hasn't seen it yet. If he hasn't seen it, then. Oh yeah, he's seen it. Yeah, I thought he was like driving, so he didn't see it. But someone added it and be like, Matt, go check oil NQ. This is what I could see. NQ's definitely the weaker, so. If we get a 15-minute fair value gap inside this breaker here with a 1-minute sell entry to the downside, I might have to put the house on it. If we get a sell model, I'll do another giveaway. If we form a 15-minute FEG here, we come into it, and we get a sell model from this breaker right here, and this we can target this lows, and I'll face reveal through Nick's FaceTime. You haven't done a face reveal yet, Ash? I just assumed. I mean, hey, I can FaceTime you right now and just flip you on if you want to, bro. I don't care. I should start a fundraiser for FaceTime and tea on stream. Okay. I guarantee you, people would give their left arm to see what T-Trades looks like. Absolutely. CL? What's CL look like? Ooh, big rejection. Oh, shoot. Okay, oil looks pretty clean. Oil looks pretty clean. Oil looks pretty clean, not gonna lie. Thank you, whoever that was, Sarah. Yeah, so I mean, there's breakers, there's continuation breakers. So like, this is be a breaker. This in my opinion is a continuation breaker. So I would use the one that hasn't ran like the liquidity you're targeting. Like if we're all the way down here and our drawn liquidity is like right here, you're probably only gonna be able to get this one because you wouldn't want it to come back here anyways. So you probably use the continuation breaker right here. That's how I would do it. I actually like oil shorts right here, guys. Yeah, so this candle closes in 1 minute. If we get a move up here, I'm going to slap shorts on oil. Pretty big move down, though. 26. Two cons. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know if you guys heard me. I'm going to take oil shorts right here. Ooh. Hi. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at for oil here. Breaker to the downside here. Buy side liquidity run. Actually, relatively equal high run. Nice displacement. Yeah, CL looks clean, man. Ash, what you think about CL? Inside daily SIBI too. Yeah, daily, hourly, 5 looks so nice. Plus, I want to see. I don't think I've like taken a trade on the stream in a while. I want to see. I want y'all to see like how I react. Like, there's not really a whole lot of like same shit. Because like this is like I say, I hate losing money, but sometimes it happens, right? But like if I'm taking my setups, like I can't do anything else. Like except just sit here, right? So I think that's important. 15-minute. What I tell you about this wick right here. I pull the 15-minute here. I swear to God, if this happens on the NQ, it'd be wild. Let's check out oil. I just got tagged in. Uh-oh. Me and Ash are in a trade together? Holy shit, now. This could be bags. This could be bags right here. If this hits TP, I'll do a giveaway. Pretty A+ for me. Pretty A+. Don't like how it's moving right now, though. This kid on Twitter has 39 million impressions. And only 3K likes. What the world? Yeah, I mean, like, that's it, man. Like, if it doesn't work out, it don't work out. But like, that's the setup. That's the steps to an entry, steps to a setup. And if they present themselves, we take it. If not, then I don't know what else to tell you guys. Like, it should kind of be like that. Currently, right now, $1,000 in drawdown. Yeah. I'll explain the context. So it's a little messy here, so I'll do it on this chair right here. So Daily, right? What do we see on the daily? Maybe ICT will pop in here and be like, why there? Why there? Alright, so daily SIBI here, okay? Daily SIBI, right? Daily SIBI. We're already bearish, right? Weekly, right here, weekly SIBI. I'm just naturally more bearish. I think everyone here would agree you'd be bearish, correct? Alright, so we got that for us. Okay? We got the daily, you got the daily, right? Makes sense. Now let's drop down to an hourly chart. So an hourly here had this swing high taken right here. Buy side liquidity pool. And also here on the daily, forgot to point this out, have relative equal lows, actually equal lows here. So sell side. I don't think there was anything on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, there actually is. 4 hour FEG high run too. So I'm just using the 1 hour, but I guess you could use the 4 hour if you wanted to. Okay, so you got that. Using the hourly to frame the narrative. Okay, swing high, especially after this close. Okay, I've been looking for shorts ever since yesterday on this, due to like this relative, like these equal low draw here, and we're respecting this 4 hour gap. Got this 1 hour swing high taken. Now we drop down to a 5-minute chart. Buy side, short-term buy side ram, displacement through it, retesting this breaker right here. Why is this breaker move down before the move up? It takes liquidity. Stop entry here. What did I get entry? I get entry at 74.33. What in the world? I think I'm on a different contract. It's kind of weird. Anyways, right here. Stop right there. TP. Actually, right here at this low. Kind of nice. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, I mean it's an A+ setup for me. If it don't work out, it don't work out. But like this is it. So not all A+ setups work out. Okay, let's see what happens here. So we got this 15-minute candle. I want at 11:15. I want to see this candle close, and I'd prefer ES to invalidate this rather than create SMT here. Okay. So if this candle can go lower and disrespect here, then that would make this one. That would make this even more high probability. Okay. So we'll watch that 11:15. Right now I'm gonna watch my oil short. Actually, just gonna keep it up. Why is that so weird? 74. So low with that candle. 74.33. Huh. Like on this one it's lower. Okay. So I want to see this get disrespected and drop from here. Yeah, hopefully that made sense, man. I think Ash is in this trade too. So you guys probably know him more than you guys know me, so I'm only really shooting for 38 cents on oil, which is, I think, doable. Especially the fact that we've been moving up, you know, like bulls have been winning all morning, you know, so like oh, okay. That's where I got it from. I was like, what in the world am I doing? So yeah. somewhere in here. I think my Ninja Trader one's on like the continuous contract or something. Like I say, if this hits full TP, I'll do another giveaway today, and I'll be back on Monday, and we'll stream there as well. Oh, my mom texted me. Can I call you in a minute?
I was articulated yesterday by a couple of my friends that our country was not founded on Christian principles. Our country was founded on common law.
Fucking idiot. Woohoo! Yeah, I think Ash is in this trade with me. It's not looking good for us right now. I was feeling really good because like we both got like the tag team confluence here. So yeah. Whatever happens, happens, guys. Either way, we'll do a giveaway on Monday. What's ES and NQ looking like? Hey, chill out. Oh, never mind. He's only spectating. Only spectating today. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So on NQ, for example, we want to see, like I said, this 15-minute candle close down here. That would also invalidate this on ES, okay? Because at the moment, this is kind of ugly. Yeah, not the best price action for this one now. Big drop, don't get me wrong, huge drop, but you want to see, as big as it was, you want to see it go lower, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm in half size anyways. I took a loss yesterday on this, so on oil, so. Sometimes I like to cover the FVG candle high. This one, though. No, well, I think you're referring to this one up here. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that because like that would just destroy your risk to reward. And honestly, bro, if it closes or even comes up into here, like above this, like it's like right here would be like the last line of defense in my opinion. Because if a candle closes like right here, it's probably gonna go for here. There's no reason for it to drop from there, in my opinion. Like that's just me taking these trades a lot. This is kind of like what I see. But yeah, I don't use the high. Like sometimes like this will be up here and the high will be right next to it and I'll use the high. But you know, just kind of depends. The stop loss placement, I try to keep it the same every trade, but like a lot of times it is different, but it's not off by much. You know what I mean? There's certain points of interest I like to use to set my stop. Like if this fair value gap like started right here, I'd probably put it right here for an example. Yeah, you won't be able to, like, if I put it right here, this is all the way down here. Like, I like, I'm still not at 2R yet. You know what I mean? Like, kind of a crazy. So, just me. Indices dropping? Okay, good. I need this to, so in the next 5 minutes, I need this 15-minute BISI to get invalidated though. I need it to get invalidated. That would give me more confluence for a short on NQ. But if this works out, I'll probably call it. And if it doesn't work out and we get something on ES or NQ, I'll probably just take it on. I'll take it, but I'll take it on another account. Like to see this get invalidated and go lower. Do. 9 to 12. 9 a.m. to 12 is what I like to use. Someone keep me posted on the 15-minute candle close. Sure, I'll look at it. It's kind of weird that oil and indices are kind of moving similar. Can't leave on miss. Can't leave on miss. Missed it again. There we go. Yeah, usually they run opposite, I feel like. Because, like, indices are down, oil will be up. I mean, I guess it really just kind of depends. Okay, so I would love for this 5-minute candle to just displace here. This will be the tell for me. Of course. That's wrong. Like if you guys are enjoying the stream. If you guys just joined, currently in a oil short right here. Entry here, stop above this high, targeting down to here. Not looking good though. I feel like if ES and NQ died, it would actually help oil, based off of like how everything's, because NQ's been trotting up and then oil's been trotting up all morning. Kind of the same profile for the week outside of Monday. So there's a reason why I still have this marked out. I don't really see. I don't see much for a long in here. I mean, if you guys were gonna play anything, I don't like the structure. I think it goes higher, but obviously I'm not in anything, but something like that, potentially. The only thing I can see. Majority of the time that I do, yeah. Because I just don't want to sit here freaking all afternoon. But not like 9 times out of 10, it does what it hits or it doesn't before then. So like I usually get. So I'm gonna watch this on the M15. So we have a 15-minute gap here. Do what you want with it. But realize this is what the 15-minute looks like on ES. You see what I mean? So kind of frame both ways, right? So what do you do in that scenario? Me, I would probably not do anything. So 15 minutes SIBI here. I got stopped on oil. Got stopped on oil. I'll mark that trade up though later. I'll put it in my chat. Those are 2 days, Thursday, Friday on oil, a back-to-back A+ setups didn't work out. Actually, I think yesterday was like an A- because I actually went with like a continuation breaker rather than like a true breaker. I think it would have worked out if I would have took the higher one, but I didn't see enough yet to take it, so I didn't. So this is kind of conflicting opinions here, right? SIBI, BISI, you know what I mean? Like, what do you do here, right? So like, yeah. I need some of Tanya Trades haters right now. I just got stopped out. Like, I need y'all to start hating on me, man. She always sends me comments of like, I took this trade. This was a great trade. Like, people still hate. I'm like, who the hell cares? Like, send them my way. Send the haters my way. I'll take the haters. I wasn't even watching that trade majority of the time. Yeah, it was a good logical trade. Like, I can't do anything about it, bro. Like, it's always the low vibrational people. Just like always got something to say. I do need to cancel this order though. Order field. All lovers here. Yeah. Yeah, no, we got. Hey, Sarah, did you take it? Did you take it today too? Let's see here. Coffee. I actually got my. Let me pull up my phone here. I should probably got a better win rate. Like, so, like, if I take it on the 1 minute, it's a little lower for me. But the 5 minute trades, like, that one's actually way higher. So I'm gonna trade Zello 1 second. Wow. Ash, the 5 minute trades for me are like 77%, man. Let me check the 1-mans. One mans aren't bad. 1-mans are like 62%. I mean, still pretty freaking good. Still pretty freaking good. I mean, if you're shooting for like 3R or anything over freaking what, 33% is still, yeah, a good trade, Sarah. Like for me personally, although I lost on this trade. Oh wow, okay. So I've probably taken less trades than Ash, so that's probably why mine's a little higher. But even if you cut the difference there, I mean it's freaking 70 and freaking what, 60. You know what I mean? Yeah, M5 for me. Sarah, what do you trade on the M5, by the way? Like, do you trade oil, ES, and Q? Yeah, I'd take this trade 100 times over. Like, if someone said, hey, Nick, in order to keep your house, you gotta find a trade, and that trade would have been today, I would have taken that trade. I would have put everything on that trade. Like, I can't control that. What was I gonna say? Yeah, someone said something. I forgot what I was talking about. I'll think of it. So this 15-minute, I'm gonna hang out here for another 9 minutes or so. Let me show you guys the 1 minute here. Like I said, can kind of frame both sides, right? GC. I see trade gold and silver. Okay, cool. Dude, like I don't know, like how is trading gold and silver? I mean, I may add it to my. I'm just doing NQ, ES, and oil. Like, do you find some good trades on that? Let me look at it. Fuck it. Let me look at it. Fuck yeah, I do it myself. Let me just see if I can find something for this week. Oh shit. I don't think I know what I'm looking at here. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm just paying attention to the candles. Like, the candles are moving pretty well. I mean, technically, what a guy set up just now on gold. Like, it tagged this wick, right? Hourly gap. That's not bad, man. Okay, cool. Yeah, I didn't see that. Oh yeah, that was a pretty big move up. Someone said oil NQ 1 minute long at 1050. 1050 at 10. Yeah, like, but remember when price was down here, we didn't know what it wanted to do yet. So like we wanted to wait till 11:15 to see what this gap would do. So yeah, like, because like once this happened, you wanted to see price expand lower, right? And we get the entry here on the 15-minute breaker. So like, if this would have happened now, then yeah, it's a way better setup. But like after all this had happened, if that makes sense. Coffee. a bullish unicorn today in gold in London. Let me see if I can find it. Oh yeah, I see it. Ash, do you trade any gold at all, bro? Silver? If you don't, what's your reason? Right at 2 a.m. Right at 2 a.m. Let me guess. Run here. Retest. Come higher. Yeah. It's a little messy for me though. Yeah. I will say, looking at these charts, they move pretty nicely. I mean, I thought they'd be a lot more lethargic, but way better than freaking NQ this week. Let me check gold, silver. Yeah, so this right here would be a continuation breaker. Move up before the move down, move up before the move down. Real low risk buy, breaker right here. I'm just, if it gave the entries, right? So here, there you go. So, okay, it looks like oil is going for that high. Yeah, I feel like that too. I feel like just 3 is enough for me. Like, I can do ES and Q and oil. And oil, I really only get once or twice a month. Like, I really can only catch it that many times. Take this off my chart. I'll reevaluate this on Sunday or Monday. The only, like, if I would play devil's advocate, the only thing is you had like this 1 hour BISI reacting, but then again you had this 1 hour candle doing this, so you know, and we've been bearish and we're in a daily SIBI, you know, swing high ran, like, you know, A plus setup for me though. All those a loss. Bonds ran higher. Dollar, wow, dollar is falling off a cliff. Yeah, see, like right now, I would definitely not be looking for shorts. Wait. Oh, thanks, man. Okay, yeah, here, I'll drop the other link here. My bad. I have to change it. It was messed up. Did that one... Let's see here. Where did I find that out? So, Samuel, let me know if this one works. Let me know if this one works. Thanks, Drew. Appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, maybe. I mean, oil was... I ain't got a problem with that. 15 minute. I was actually hoping ICT would pop in and be like, why there? Why'd you enter that? Why there? Trying to quiz me on my own. Like, I didn't watch the whole core content 2022 mentorship, all your freaking videos, bro. Like, I don't know why I entered there, bro. There's no reason. I just wanted to slap it. I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes. If you guys did like the stream, feel free to like the stream. If you enjoyed it, I'll be back on Monday around 9:15, 9:20. Just kind of watching, see what happens. Kind of not a very good week for me. I finished down 1.5 R on the week. No, so Tanya said that like he watches like she didn't say like names, but like he'll pop in streams. He sent her an email, and okay, it works cool. Uh, but he just doesn't say anything like unless like you take a trade or something like that, or if like you maybe say something about him. So like he just be lurking. So I think he's probably been in a stream before. Let's see. I mean, he was watching Zach's on when was that? That was on Tuesday, and that was his second stream ever. So, I think it was like 180 people in there. So I mean, only double what we have now, or a little less than what we had earlier. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Yeah. I'll take some last second questions for you guys. Like if you guys have anything before I head out, or maybe some lunch. Yeah, but I finished down 1.5R on the week. The trade yesterday, trade today. Uh, yeah, I mean, just doing pretty good on the month. I gotta do my stats for the month, actually. Take it easy, Sarah, if I'm saying that right. If I were to guess, though, given how we failed to displace lower, I'd probably say it's going to run for this high. Which I called that would be crazy, but in terms of like entry models and techniques, I don't see much here. For you scalpers, maybe something like this. Stop below here. Target, I mean, this is kind of a crappy risk to reward, but it's already 11:32 on a Friday. Like, if you're up on the week, I just call it. I'm down the week, and like, I tried to get it back today. Try to get back to break even today. Didn't do it. I took a loss, so 0 for 2 on the week. So I'm definitely gonna call it. I was gonna watch and see if NQ displaced lower to target this because I think this was a clear draw on liquidity. Monday low, previous day low, but it didn't give it. So that'll be it from me. I'll take these drawings off. Any last second questions? Yeah, so economic calendar for next week looks way better. It's like it's like some good high impact news in there. I think we'll get some nice moves next week. This week was a little sus. I mean, we didn't have any news until really yesterday because FOMC minutes was at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. So, market probably just going to chop until then. I'm not stressing though, man. You guys saw me in that trade. I don't stress in trades. It does not. I have stressed in trades before, but those were only when like I was doing so. I was either over leveraging or taking trades I don't normally take. And I'm just sitting here like this. I'm sitting here like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You know what I mean? But like, yeah, I don't really like to think about it too much, man. Like, so for me, like, I like it when. No, not really, bro. I would have said yes, but look how this previous hourly candle closed. You see what I mean? So this is a big close too. 10 o'clock candle. That's a 4-hour close. So I believe, right, on oil. Yeah. So and I had a clear draw on liquidity this low. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, maybe if that's something for you guys to watch, like maybe instead of using all highs and lows, maybe you guys can use like 1 hour like internal range liquidity pools to target instead. Maybe that's y'all. Like I don't know. Everything else remains the same. You guys want me to do a little? I can do like a little post week recap here. So chop, expand, chop, 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 expand, chop, chop. There you go. That's pretty much it. There was a pretty good trade on Tuesday. It just took forever to play out. Monday, not so much. Wednesday was kind of a chop until 2 o'clock and even after. Thursday, we had a big drop yesterday. I didn't partake in it because it just moved without me. And even though this closed here, even though this closed right here, it was still within this range, right? So like this, like everyone was flipping their shit, like, oh my god, this is such a huge. I'm like, not really, because we're still in the range, right? But then once we got this one, I'm like, oh shit, like maybe so, right? So yeah, that was kind of my thinking on that. I'm gonna take this off. This off. Going into next week, let me pull up the calendar here. I'm actually more neutral than anything at the moment. See how we close today. 10 a.m. news Tuesday. It's actually a pretty good schedule next week. Really good schedule. I think we'll get some nice setups. It's the week before NFP. The week before NFP, like the middle of the months, usually the best. Outside of this week, the middle of the weeks on the month are usually the best for me, because that's usually when you get your expansion, right? So hourly, nothing there. 4 hour CB. I think the main reason we're seeing like a lot of lack of displacement here is we're in a trapped order flow scenario where we got a daily BISI and a 4 hour CB. Okay. As for ES, it's just kind of saying F that. I'm gonna go higher. Daily candle here, pay attention to that. So I think we're retesting here, and then we go higher. I'd probably be 60-40 bullish going into next week. And I would, like throughout the week, right? Monday, Tuesday, I'm just trying to build it 70, 80, 90%. And it's never really fully 100 because like something can always happen, right? But, and then I just want to combine the time frames, hourly, 4 hour, whatever, 15, 1 minute, things like that. I don't think dollar is going to be doing anything anytime soon, so. Lower on that. Okay, any last second questions before I call the stream? About to call it here. Any last second questions? Order flow is still bearish. Okay, cool. Cool. It depends what you're looking at. ES, no. NQ, yes. So that's why, more neutral than anything. I gotta see a daily close. I'm not trading today, so like the daily close is important. Even Monday, because yeah, take it easy, Ash. Yeah, I'm glad you thought it was amazing. That's how you take a loss too, guys. That's how we take losses. We just take them on the chin. So I'm glad you guys could see that. I'll change the link in the bio, in the description for the Discord. So don't click that. Okay, it seems like I don't have any other questions, so I'm going to call a stream here. I'll see you guys back on Monday, do another giveaway there. Yeah, enjoy your weekend and take it easy.